Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add internal and or external links to your website content. It's really important for search engine optimization, as well as for your visitors to be able to click on content and certain pieces of your content that will take them to either other pages of your website to give them more information, or even link out to a different website that might be able to give them more information about what you are trying to tell them. So again, we're going to be using our off-road demo for this, so we're not intruding on someone's website. But I have already created a piece of sample content. It's got no pictures, no links, and it's very little, but it will prove the point here. So I'm going into it. As you can see right now, there are no links in here. You are seeing it from admin, so you have the ability to edit. And I'm going to go in and edit this piece of content. And I think I'd like to go ahead and put a link here at Raceline Wheels. All you're doing when you're putting a link in is placing your mouse at the beginning of the letter of the word that you want to start with, holding down the left mouse button, and dragging it until you're done. And that's where we're going to put the link. So what happens is, as soon as you have highlighted something on your page like this little chain link comes up. If you click on that, it's going to ask you where you want that URL to go to. Now, because I'm doing internal links, and they're called soft links, I don't have to put in the entire URL, which I would if I was linking out to another website. But your Drupal site understands that as long as you are telling it where, and this information actually comes up in your URL, where it is that you're going to be okay. I don't like links that open in the same window, so this is a personal preference. I tell it to open in a new window, and I hit insert. Let's do the same thing. I'm going to grab a link for trail gear because I want them to go see my trail gear parts. I can do this, or I can do just this. And I'm going to put this internal link. I'm going to open it in a new window. And voila, I have two links on that particular piece of content. I could link sold and take them to another page. I can link anything I want to on this, and it's very, very simple. We're going to talk about using WordLink, which is another really interesting tool to take care of all the internal links yourself. To make a link, you do need to know before you get here what that URL is that you're trying to link to. But now that we're done with this, let's save. And it brings back up our content, and we have links. Now, when your visitors click on this link, it's going to take them to the page that you wanted them to see. So this is really nice, especially if you're trying to package up something, refer back to something else. And it's not just about the parts industry. This happens on every website because you have content that crosses over each other. All right, we are now going to move on, and I encourage you to watch the next tutorial that includes using WordLink.